Hey, I'm Allison, your virtual dietitian and Beachbody coach. Chances are you're watching this video because you downloaded your free 2-week trial of Beachbody on demand. I've been using at-home workouts since 2013, and I found that it was very helpful for me, especially when I was a single mom, to get my workouts done without having to commute anywhere. And now that we're having to stay indoors, this is going to be very helpful for you to release some stress and feel better when you're having to stay inside. So I want to share with you my screen and show you exactly what Beachbody on demand is, so it's not so overwhelming when you log in. First, you're going to see some VIP early access programs at the top. These are programs that I purchased early access to, and they will be released to the BOD library, which is Beachbody on Demand library, later on in the year. But you'll find there's so many different programs for you to choose from. And as your coach, I can help you determine which program is going to be the best one for you to start with. So I encourage you to reach out to me and we'll figure out what program is going to be the best one for you to get started with. And now I want to show you a little bit about navigating each program. So say for instance, I want to do Lift 4. This is a great program. It's 4 days a week, 40 minutes using weights and HIIT workouts. So I'm going to click on that, and then I will go to program materials. I always encourage people to follow a calendar, because if you go based on what you feel like doing, you're never really going to want to feel like doing something that's maybe a little bit more intense for you. So you're not going to get the results that you're wanting as quickly if you're not following the calendar. These programs are scientifically made, and they structure it so that they're working different body parts so you can have muscle recovery and build throughout the program. So you can click on the calendar. They also have a weight progression tracker, so you can track your progress, and then they all have nutrition guides, which is so great. As your dietitian, I love that they incorporate nutrition in this as well. You'll see that it has a meal plan. It'll help you determine what foods you need to be using to fuel your body properly. It also talks about different supplements that are beneficial for you while you're doing each particular program. So I find this to be very useful when you're choosing a new workout program. And then here we go. I'll show you. If you want to choose different music for your workouts, if you don't want to hear the trainer talking, they have playlists through Spotify that you can listen to as well. Now, when you're ready to work out, you'll click on workout list, and you go to week 1, and you'll see this is your first week of workouts, and here is where you can play it. And if you click details, it'll tell you what kind of equipment you'll need. So if you don't have any equipment at home, let's chat and I will help you figure out what programs you don't necessarily need equipment at home, because there's plenty. So here is there is the overview of how to navigate Beachbody on Demand. And I also would like to invite you to be a part of our accountability group. This is a group and a community of people where we virtually meet, cheer each other on, and provide encouragement. I will post a daily check-in post with a nutrition advice, fitness, encouragement, motivation, talking about form, talking about hydration, all sorts of things. So it's a great resource for you to help you learn and keep you accountable to reaching your fitness goals. So let's chat. I'd love to hear more about what you're wanting, what type of exercise you were previously doing, and what kind of workouts you do enjoy, and we'll get you set up with something that's going to work best for you. So hope this helps. Thanks.